Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within her, call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and I'ma wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher,
Hey guys, Willie here, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hey, how welcome. If you're already returning, thank you so much sis for stopping back by. Welcome to yet another vlog. It is the, let me just check to be sure. It is the 5th of February. So I haven't really gone through the whole project, what like the briefing. They did send us like a briefing, a digital one. I haven't gone through it. I'll go through it say later, and then I'll do the things. Tomorrow though, I will be going shopping for this campaign. They did send me a voucher to go and get the ingredients that I might need for this campaign. I'm very excited. I am excited. Yeah, I'm excited to create good content for them. But yeah, what I was saying, I just want to finish up and carry on with what I was busy with, but I just thought I should introduce this vlog. I am tired, I am coming from work, and I still need to sort out these things. We want great things to happen this year, so we sort it on, right? Yeah, thank you guys for watching though. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog.
Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say, nothing to talk about. Come on, let's get to know where you live right now. So it's not wasting another day. I'm just trying not to see that I'm wrong. Let's take nothing to say, nothing to talk about. Almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.
I'm at the work. I felt sorry. My sinuses are getting irritated, so then I had to go to the sick bay. Morning. I had to go to the sick bay. They gave me an Allergex. At least I know that will help. just walking back to the area where I work. But yeah.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to leave. We can get away. I'm chasing each feel feeling every day. All I wanna hear is the music I play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Feel today. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
best friend. Hey guys, we have come to the end. If you did watch up until now, thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, comment, like and share. I know I didn't talk much in this vlog, but yeah, it's been one that I've enjoyed utterly. And yeah, I hope you guys also. I'm just here with my current favorite person. Closing off this vlog. My father's house decided to bless me twice this year. So yeah, I'm here with one of my faves. Meh. Yeah, but altogether, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Weary of my flesh, you awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh. That's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone. Told me.